mga dear, get ready with me here in Australia. I literally cannot believe that I'm here in one of my dream country. Oh my god. I'm actually here hindi dahil gusto ko lang or whatever. I'm here for a brand trip, period. It's like a literal every content creator's dream. So, oh my god, thank you guys so much. It's such a big deal because sino ba naman magpapa-brand trip ng out of Asia at different continent. And it's not other than BYS Cosmetics, mga dear, period. And I must say, the weather here, dear, it's not for me. I'm literally a summer girl and it's my first time just to be like covered, like hindi balat-balat. This is not my first time to be in a brand trip, but dear, this is my first time to be in like a different literal country and Australia. Ate! Sobrang daming possibility ng pwede mangyari here. At ate, baka dito ko na mahanap yung mapapangasawa. Check! Over! But sa totoong buhay, I'm literally grateful to be here and to be trusted from BYS team. Oh my god, guys, thank you so much. I've been doing content for so long and dear, deserve ko to! Period! And if you guys didn't know, I wasn't sent here alone, but I'm here with my besties, which is making the trip more fun. I'm just so happy traveling with my closest sisters and dear. This is gonna be fun, period. Today's agenda, we are going to roam around the CBD, which is parang yung BGC ng Melbourne. And I think we're gonna have a little photo shoot sa area, which is I'm so excited about. At kailangan ko maging malasa dear dahil, oh my god, ang daming gwapo dito. And also, I cannot wait to show you guys my outfit later kasi ang fantasy natin ay girly pop. Ano yun? Oh my god, nakalimutan ko pala sabihin. Fun fact, kaya BYS brought us here because if you guys didn't know, BYS is an Australian brand. Dito siya pinanganak. So we're here to discover the motherland. Over! I also once thought na akala ko rin Filipino brand siya, but dear, Australian brand pala siya. Just gonna finish my face and I'll be right back for the final look. Hold on. Okay, I'm back and I'm almost done with my look and I'm just gonna change to my final outfit and I'll be right back. Now, this is the final look all complete and this is my outfit. Kylie, show your fit. Kylie. Period. She said she's not done yet. But here's my fit. Period. Yun lang. Bye. Mwah. Bye mga chair.